We had Jensen Huang yesterday for our CNBC Investing Club. It was a great one-on-one. And one of the things that he talked about was he dismissed this notion of the circular deal. And instead, he talked about the notion of being a really great investor. And he mentioned the investment in CoreWeave. Now, how did that come about? Because it clearly was, at the time, risky. You and I talked about it. I wasn't worried about it because I knew that it was a real investment. It was not to be able to give you money and then you give him money.
Yeah, look, there's a narrative out there right now that has to deal with circular investment. And I think it's just fundamentally flawed, right? The reality of the situation is really large, really important technology companies across the space are buying infrastructure to deliver it to their clients. Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. I mean, the largest tech companies in the world are purchasing this infrastructure because they have demand. There's nothing circular about that. It's a fundamental infrastructure build out that's taking place. And when you have such a massive scale investment in infrastructure, it is not unusual to see partnerships as people try to serve infrastructure to the consumers. It happens in other markets. It's happening in this market. I don't think it's circular at all. We've been tagged with circular investment since NVIDIA made its first investment of $100 million years ago. $100 million. We've raised $25 billion. They didn't invest $100 million for circular acceleration of their business. They invested $100 million because they looked at the solution we provide and said, that's a solution that we want to own, that we want to buy into, that we want to own a piece of. And that's what it is. I think this narrative around the circular investment, it's of the day, but it will pass because the fundamental drivers in the market are enormous.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.